Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Thanks for everybody watching on Twitch. Today is January 19th, episode 18 of Crypto World News. I think I got that right. That was probably the first or second day I got that right. Episode 18 of Crypto World News, January 19th, Tuesday. We're watching Bitcoin here. And if you want to catch my next show live, you can catch me on twitch.tv/Crypto World News. I do this Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on Twitch. We're going to go over, in today's show, we're going to go over some mass adoption news, a little bit of Bitcoin, Ethereum news, DeFi projects news. We're going to look at a DeFi coin. I do have a project for you. Lastly, we're going to be looking at reviewing our trade that we are in from our previous streams. Anyways, and we'll take suggestions from you, the audience, towards the end of the show. But I appreciate you guys being here with me, with us today. Really quickly, want to shout out Willie Rob. How you doing? Thanks for the bit, man. Appreciate if this is your first show, guys. Appreciate join our Discord. Come back tomorrow. I love all the engagement. If you're interested in DeFi or cryptocurrency, this is a great place to be. All right, without further ado, let's jump right into some BTC analysis. Okay, so first and foremost, Bitcoin, we were expecting a local low test yesterday, seeing that we failed to come up higher. We did actually come up higher than what we were looking at yesterday, which was here as a failure of this level. But we managed to get up on that, and we are currently, look at this weekly. We got this weekly candle close right here. This week and last week, these two candle bodies. If you're not familiar, wicks are when the candle starts and when the candle closes. If it's not up here, then it just creates a body. So these wicks just basically mean that the price went down here, but it didn't close. We came back up and we closed. Green just means we started here and went up. Red means we started here and went down. So if that makes any sense, this candle was green because we started here. This candle was red because we started here and ended here. Okay, hope that helps. Hopes that was your, there's all types of people watch. So I'm trying to slowly and trickle in the teaching as we go along here. Anyways, so we're looking at this weekly resistance here sitting just above where we're at, about 38,150. These two weekly candles, that's where we are able to get this level, and we'll see what happens. We'll see if we get smacked off of this and looking for our local low test. Ideally, that's what we would like to play, but BTC never goes in the way that, or it doesn't have to go in the way that we want to favor it. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my basic Bitcoin analysis. It's just we're in like a squeeze, no trade zone, squeeze watch. It looks like it wants to take off in either direction. There's a lot of fundamental bullish news, thinking that, which is why I'm in a short for a few reasons, but we'll go over that a little bit later on in the stream. All right, thanks for the shout out, bro. Yeah, no problem. Crypto Dizzy, what's up, my dude? How you doing? Let's go over some Bitcoin cryptocurrency news. MIT professor Gary Gensler is chosen to lead the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission. All right, so this is pretty awesome news. I don't know if you know who Gary Gensler is, but I guess President-elect Joe Biden confirms he's going to appoint Gary as the new chair of the Security and Exchange Commission. So I think this is a pretty good step. I like Gary, and I think this is actually pretty awesome for cryptocurrency and adoption. So I'm going to drop all these articles down below if you want to check them out. But currently, okay. Gensler is a professor of the practice of global economic and management at MIT Sloan School of Management, co-director of MIT's FinTech CSOL, and senior advisor to the MIT Digital Currency Initiative, researching artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, and new financial technologies. That sounds like a pretty good head of the SEC. He sounds pretty well versed. Okay, I like it. Bitcoin, we're looking at it. We're getting a little bit of volume here as we are talking, as we are trading, or doing our daily news show, I guess, if you will. Anyways, let's go over Bitcoin, cryptocurrency news. Bluezella's February mainnet launch will make room for Polkadot. Okay, so Polkadot is this like great DeFi project that has to do with decentralized databases, and there are a lot of projects that are going to be launching off of the Polkadot ecosystem. This would be one of them that is launching. So if you don't have Polkadot and you're interested in like a top 10 altcoin, Dot's probably going to be one of the biggest movers of 2021. Right next to Ethereum and Cardano, Polkadot. I'm shilling Dot. I'm shilling some Dots here. I do own some Dot, and you can stake it as well. Bluezella's delegated DPoS, delegated proof of stake networks build using Cosmos SDK, Tendermint consensus engine. Okay, so more DeFi, bunch of projects, cool news. Let's hop over really here because I wanted to. We were talking about staking and stuff. No questions. Okay, cool. Charles Hoskinson. Oh gosh, I just butchered that. Yeah, Charles Hoskinson, CEO shares date of Cardano open source release. Okay, so we're basically waiting for the Cardano dress rehearsal, and we've been pushed back. We were supposed to have this Q1 of 2021, but now we're just going to be doing the test net in Q1 of 2021. So it's okay. I'd rather Cardano take its time and release properly than do something like what we had with Ethereum a couple years ago, where they had a kind of a catastrophe upon launch. So they had to kind of revamp, and that wasn't great for the community. So I like that they're doing the dress rehearsal and they're making sure that their network is ready and usable. And yeah, very bullish on Cardano. They need to get this right. Core smart contract ecosystem for dApps. Yeah, I think Cardano could overtake Ethereum with projects being developed on the Cardano network, third-gen blockchain technology in the future, in the coming years. All right, that's going to be it for our news sections, news articles of the day. We're going to go over our DeFi project of the day. If you're not familiar with decentralized finance and you want to learn more, I've got a Calendly link down below, and I'm going to invite you to check it out. And you can book a 30-minute DeFi intro to DeFi session with me, where I'll kind of go over what decentralized finance is and how you can utilize decentralized finance to your advantage. There's something called liquidity mining, where you are able to passively earn interest, very lucrative interest on your liquid assets. So this is a new field of economics that is slowly, maybe really even not slowly, but it's fastly, it's taking over the, there's a couple markets that we're seeing money kind of flow away from and flow into the DeFi space, it being so lucrative. So this is a coin we're going to look at today, Fala Network. Fala Network is utilizing Polkadot. Yep, there we go. That's why I knew we did that for a reason. We're doing something here. So mask yourself on the blockchain confidentiality by trusted computing. So this is pretty cool. We're seeing the need for DeFi, decentralization, anonymity. So Fala Community Roundup 2020. I'm going to drop this article down below because this is kind of a big article and it's got a lot to it. But basically what we're looking at is Fala was established Feb 2020. There was Web 3.0. It's hard to believe that Web 3.0 has been in existence for 365 days. Okay, so Web 3.0 is very new. Fala is building on top of this network. So miners launch rather than hardware. It's like decentralized data. I love it. We were talking about decentralized domains the other day. Uncensorable web 3.0. This is just more projects that are like Phala is a cool coin. If you're interested, you can check it out. phala.network. I believe the coin is up I think it's up 300% in the last 30 days. It just came out, so not recommending it as an investment advice, but definitely look at the fundamentals if you like that. So the value captured by Phala Network: computing power, on-chain computing and storage resources, off-chain storage resources. Yeah, I like it. I just wanted to share. We haven't done a DeFi project of the day in a few days, so I just wanted to share. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Yeah, I have a coin we're looking at 88 miles per hour. It's absolutely destroying it today. I got in this coin at like 30 bucks or something. It stakes. Here, I'll just show you really quick. There's a lot of new people here, so if you've seen me do this, just bear with me for a second. Bitcoin trading at 37.2, still coming down. So if we go over to yada yada, MPH, liquidity mining. This is the current liquidity mining program. They're about 14 days. And this is what the current daily ROI is, 0.6% daily. So that's pretty cool. That's probably why there are a lot of people trying to jump into this. Initially, when this came out, this was about 8%. So there are a whole bunch of projects that are offering very lucrative. I mean, 8% ROI daily? What? No one's heard of that. Anyways, so this is pretty cool project. If you want to know more, just, let me know in the chat. I feel like I didn't like finish with my Calendly thing. I'm like jumping around here, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, if you want me to, I can help you out with DeFi. There's a Calendly link, just click it, and I'd love to have a session with you. Value my time, because I value yours. All right, so we're gonna leave this Charles, MPH. We're gonna look over at CoinMarketCap, and we're gonna take some suggestions from you guys. Any coins you'd like for me to chart? We're taking a look at those now. Looking at our CoinMarketCap, we're trading. We have a daily 24-hour volume of 131 billion BTC, dominating 65.2% of the total cryptocurrency market cap, which is 1,666 billion. Just over a trill. So what does this mean? BTC dominance coming down a little bit. 24-hour volume going up a little bit, market cap kind of staying consistent. This is what we were talking about, this distribution altcoin flow. So as the money stays in the cryptocurrency market and leaves BTC, we see this BTC dominance go down, but we still see market cap up and 24-hour volume up. We're seeing money flow away from Bitcoin and not necessarily out of the cryptocurrency market, but into these altcoins such as Ethereum. That we're seeing now. I mean, Ethereum's up 14% on the day. And this is just Litecoin as well. This is just the beginning. These coins are going to Engine, I believe, is the first, was it China? It's a game coin. I can't think it was China or Japan. It's like this is their game coin. Anyway, that's why that one's up 46%. Engine coin token, ENJ. Biggest loser today, Hedge, down 15%. All right, we don't have any coins, so we're going to take a look at our trade. All right, we are in our BTC short. We're shorting. Short on the Bitcoin, the Bitty. Still in our positions here. We've got 0.04 sold, 0.04 BTC sold. Average fill price, $36,790. We are in some profit on one of our positions. Our highest fill was 38,351. That was also our biggest order. So that's why we're still in a little bit of profit. Our XRP trade has not popped off yet. Has not popped off yet. I thought it was looking good this morning. We had this really nice 15-minute and then BTC decided to move. So this was looking really good. This was that 950 test I was looking for, and it just isn't ready. It's just not time yet. Bitcoin is still doing what Bitcoin does, so we'll be patient. I'm patient. We'll wait for you, Ripple, little ripples. So we're gonna leave these trades open. We're not gonna touch it. Not a whole lot to do. Let's see what's crude oil doing. Probably nothing. Yeah. What about the SPY? NASDAQ. Yeah. S&P. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see a pullback. All right, Bitcoin, we need you to do something here. Looking at a 4-hour Bitcoin chart. If you're just joining us, thank you for joining us. We do this Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on Twitch. Looking at twitch.tv/CryptoWorldNews. Looking at Bitcoin on a 4-hour chart. This is our weekly, 2 weeks, double weekly candle close resistance level right here. If we break up on this, there's really not a whole lot of resistance I could see. I mean, maybe this 40,230, but I really would see if we broke up on like 38K on this weekly, on these double weekly candle closes, right here. I think we'd be pretty fantastic. We'd probably just flood right through. We'd probably flood right through and do our 40K test. But I really don't think that's going to, I don't think we'll get up there. Looking at this weekly here, I could see us maybe going to, maybe for that 38 test. Bulls. All right, let's play the bull scenario. Let's delete all this crap. We don't want to see this crap. Propaganda. All right. Bull scenario. Bull scenario is we made a lower low or a higher low. This was our low on a daily, and then we made a higher low being right here. So I mean, that would be the bullish scenario. So they would come up to retest. I mean, if we break up on 38, I think that would be bullish. I think we're in some that would be like a bullish break in my opinion. So I'll probably just keep both of my trades open just for education, entertainment purposes. Even if we do break up on 38, I'd like to see this XRP trade play out. I'd really like to get that Tesla Cybertruck for you guys, or I guess it's for me, but maybe we could donate it. That'd be cool. Question: unfortunately, I'm multitasking while watching. Will this stream be available after it ends? I want to go back and rewatch the 5% daily return on stake for mining. Yes, this will be. I'll post it up on YouTube and pretty quickly. If you want to win some beef jerky, just leave the comment or leave the YouTube video a thumbs up and comment down below like, yo, give me some jerky, or yo, cool video. I'm gonna pick one person. Someone commented something yesterday like, hey, I'm new to the whatever, and I just followed, so I'm probably gonna pick that guy. But hey, it doesn't hurt. Maybe I'll like your comment more. I don't know. So anyways, if you want to get some jerky, just wait for that video. Yeah, and so that 88 miles per hour was that website I was talking about, and how you find it is 88mph.app. And that's where you will be able to, yeah. But this liquidity mining that I was talking about, this is probably the 4th or 5th program that they've offered. So I'm not, yeah, just let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to help you out. Anyways, this is going to be it for the show. We're going to leave everything here. No coins for me to chart today. If there's anything lastly, let's look at Ethereum. Lastly, Ethereum's looking pretty fantastic on a monthly. Look at this monthly. Oh, hold on. Let's go to ETH BTC actually. Okay, this is where it matters. No one cares about ETH USD. Okay, folks? No one cares. If you sell your Ethereum for US dollar, you lost. Go home. You're not welcome. Just kidding. All right. But seriously, we value things to Bitcoin. So if you don't understand how to value, well, yeah, I mean, start looking at charts to the value of Bitcoin. That might help your altcoin game a little bit. Okay, so we're looking at a monthly chart, monthly Ethereum in, I mean, there's a little bit of resistance, but really not a whole lot. I mean, we're not like in breakout territory, but I could see ETH gain, 50% to the BTC. This looks pretty fantastic this monthly. I really do have to say. So Ethereum, Bitcoin looking great. XRP to Bitcoin was looking great, not so super great now. Band is looking pretty great. DOT is looking pretty great. Always a good buy. ADA, always a good buy. Atom as well, a good buy. Zcash, Link. I saw some news about Link mostly being owned by, it was like all of the, I don't know, 90% of the Link is owned by like a couple wallets or something like that. But anyways, Link's going to be great. XLM is looking pretty juicy. Pretty juicy. I don't really know what else to say. If there's more data, maybe I'm just missing it. But, I mean, this just looks 50 cents, please. Should I print money now, or should I just wait and print more money later? Rick Vito. All right, dude. Awesome. Thanks, bud. I most definitely will subscribe. Do you recommend using a VPN before going to that site? So 88 miles per hour is not BitConnect. Got it. Yeah, 88 miles per hour is not BitConnect. BitConnect. The web, that DeFi platform, the developers burned the keys. I know the developer for 88 miles per hour personally, actually. He's a friend of mine. We're working on another project, an altruism project together. Maybe that'll be our DeFi project tomorrow. We can talk about that if you want. Anyways, that's going to be it for today. OMG also looking pretty fantastic. My buys for the day, if I was to be like, oh, here's what I'm looking at. Definitely looking at XLM. XLM looks fantastic. There's always a good buy. In 2021, 31 cent XLM. You can't go wrong. If you don't like it in a week, just come back and I'll buy it from you for 31 cents. I don't care. It won't be 31 cents next week though. So yeah, XLM and probably Polkadot. If you don't have any Polkadot, we saw a whole lot of fundamental news regarding Polkadot, and this coin doesn't have really any price or any chart history, as you can see. No chart history. So, I mean, this looks fantastic. If you just buy now and come back in a year or two, Polkadot's going to do some crazy things this year. Probably be one of the bigger movers with Ethereum. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's show. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Got something entertaining out of today. I had fun. I'm going to be doing this. Anyways, doing this again tomorrow, same place, same time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on Twitch. Thank you guys so much for watching. Willie Rob 420. What's up, my dude? Nightbot. You keep timing me out, Nightbot, and we're gonna have a problem, Nightbot. I'm just being honest with you. I'm gonna take you out back, and I'm gonna show you something. Anyways, I hope you guys. I think I'm gonna jump in on Polkadot. Yes, Willie Rob, great idea. Rick Vito, anyone else? Anyways, hope you guys have a great day. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, same place, and stay safe. No words of wisdom today. Show me the love. Show me the love. Thank you guys so much. All right, bye.